Hi guys, welcome to Female Action Poses. Today we're going to look at a simplified approach to testing out concepts and discovering the right angle and pose for your project. Those images in the intro are from a book I'm currently illustrating, focused on drawing the dynamic figure. I know they go fast, but feel free to use your pause button if you want to try them out, step by step. For now, we'll focus on simply brainstorming ideas and jotting down some thumbnails. The human figure is probably the most popular subject matter for most artists. I do love and admire the majestic creations of plants, animals, and beautiful landscapes that exist on Earth. But without people, the planet's just not as interesting. To draw a static anatomical study of the male or female figure, or a simple portrait, is one thing, but when you take the divine human form and push it to its physical limits, that's when things start to come alive. That's why I love to draw dancers, athletes, warriors, and explorers. When you're drawing, it's not just about drawing, it's about storytelling. The pose you choose for your figure will tell a story. Hopefully it's a good story, well told. So to pick the right pose, let's start with some sketches. A thumbnail sketch is a small picture of an image or page layout. It can be the size of your thumb or a little bigger. I'll be doing them a bit larger than usual so you can see better on camera. They're generally used to come up with ideas, poses, or compositions quickly. We'll start with a martial artist in a flying kick. For starters, just block in the main shape of the torso. Find the center line of the chest and stomach for a reference point. Jump around to the upper arm and head, trying to keep relative proportion. Just simple shapes. For the pelvis, a triangle, ovals to indicate the knees. I'm using a wasabi fine tip pen here. With ink, you obviously have to be a bit more careful laying down your lines than you do with graphite. I'll come back and adjust some details here in a bit, but let's do another pose. Maybe a ballerina on point, leaning forward with back legs and arms up in the air. Some people call this the bean approach, since it sort of looks like a bean. Since the head will be in front, we'll draw that in. Eye marks halfway between cranium and chin. Over some hair. Arms, elegant shapes for the hands. And long tapered lines for the legs and feet. On to the next quick example. We'll try a semi-profile jumping view, like the top section of a mannequin with clavicle, chest, and waistlines. A circle to indicate the hips and buttocks. Smaller circle for the knee with connecting lines for the legs. We'll do one in front with one behind. Basically elongated triangles for the feet. Arms opposite the legs, following suit. Bare minimum to identify a face and hair. Let's do one more, a frontal standing pose, strong, confident. We'll twist her a bit, shift her weight slightly to add interest. You can use these thumbnail sketches as a simple exercise for practice or as a starting point for a more involved finished piece or project. They're helpful either way. These sketches don't have to be detailed or fleshed out, just simple shapes. Baby steps. Just adding one body part to another. Maybe we'll give her a weapon, a bow staff, like Donatello. We'll add a few finishing touches and call it a day. We'll explore further steps in future videos, so be sure to subscribe. Thanks for joining us on Female Action Pose Thumbnails. Maybe we'll do this again sometime. It's good practice. Take care.